Class 9 students, this is your chapter number 8, Reach for the Top. Now, this chapter has been divided into two parts. First part is Santosh Yadav, and second part is Maria Sharapova. There are many people whom we admire. There are many girls and boys, and there are many great achievers whom we admire in our life. Why? Because of their great determination and their achievement. Okay, now in this chapter we are going to learn about Santosh Yadav. As we all know that she is the only woman in the world who had scaled Mount Everest twice. That means two times she has scaled Mount Everest. And she was born in a society where the birth of a son was regarded as a blessing and a daughter was though it was not considered a curse but was not generally welcome. So she used to live where in the states of Haryana, and she was already having over there when her mother was expecting her. Once there was a holy man who was traveling nearby, and he gave his mother a blessing that there would be a son, but everybody was surprised when the grandmother told him that they wanted a daughter, as they were already having five sons. So Santosh Yadav was the sixth girl child of their family, and she was already having five brothers. Now, over here, she was born in the village of Joniawas of Rewari district in Haryana. Now, what is the meaning of Santosh? Santosh means contentment, a spirit, a quality of satisfaction. But she was not always content with her place. Why? Because she was born in a village and it was a traditional kind of a way, and she did not like those traditional things. She wanted to live her own life at her own conditions. And other girls over there, they used to wear the traditional Indian dresses, but Santosh always preferred to wear the shorts. And she was a very determined kind of a girl, a lady who never followed the unnecessarily rituals of the society. Now over there, her parents were landowners and they did not lack of money, and they afford to send their children to the best schools at New Delhi. And but over there, according to the prevailing custom in the family, Santosh had to satisfy herself at the local village school, and while her brothers were there, but she thought of fighting with the system in a quiet way. And at the 16, at the age of 16, like in villages, even most in today's world also, in most of the villages, the people, they marry their daughters at the age of 16, and so Santosh Yadav was pressurized. But marriage was not very important for her. She threatened her parents and she said that she would never marry if she did not get a proper education. And then she left her school home and she enrolled herself in a school in Delhi. At first, at the beginning, her parents were not supportive at that time, and they said that we are not going to pay any money for you. And she said politely that I will pay my school fees on my own and I will do a part time job. Then, afterwards, they agreed to support her. Then, after wishing always to study, Santosh passed the high school examinations and she joined the Maharani College and got a room in Kasturba Hostel in Jaipur. Now, over there in her hostel, she always used to watch the villagers from her room. She always thought that why these people, these villagers are going up the hill and they never return back and they are suddenly vanishing. And one day she decided to check it out on herself. So she went to the place and she found some mountaineers. Now, who is a mountaineer? A mountaineer is a person who is skilled in climbing a mountain. And she also asked them to join, and they said, yes, okay, you can also join with us. Now, over there, after that, this girl, Santosh Yadav, she did not look back, and she was a determined young girl. She saved money and she enrolled herself in a course at Uttar Kashi's Nehru Institute of Mountaineering, where she got a proper training to climb the mountain. And her college semester in Jaipur was about to end in April, but it extended till May. And she did not return to her home, and instead she wrote an apology letter to her father because she did not tell him that she was enrolling herself into a course. Now Santosh went on an expedition. Expedition means to move with a group for a natural cause or some other important things. Her climbing skills were maturing rapidly, and she developed a remarkable resistance to the cold and the good at all altitude. She was equipped with iron will, her physical endurance, and an amazing mental toughness. She always proved herself repeatedly, and her hard work came in and sincerity came in 1992. Just after 4 years, she had asked the Aravalli mountaineers to join them, and at the age of 20, she scaled Mount Everest, becoming the youngest woman in the world to achieve the feat. And it was about her physical fitness, mental strength, and all these things impressed her seniors. And she also took care about the other people. Now, during the mount climbing mission, she provided special care to a climber who lay dying at the South Pole, and she was unfortunately unsuccessful in saving him. But however, she managed to save another climber, Mr. Mohan Singh. Okay, and within 12 months, she again found herself with a group, a member of an Indo Nepalese women's expedition, and they invited her to join them. Then she again climbed the Mount Everest for the second time. She scaled it for the second time, and thus setting a record as the only woman to have scaled the Mount Everest twice and securing for herself. She was awarded as the very high and a nation's top honors, the Padma Shri. And she described her feelings that literally she was feeling on top of the world, and it took some time for the enormity of the moment to sink in, and then she unfurled the Indian tricolor and held it aloft on the roof of the world. Now this feeling was indescribable for her. She was not able to describe that moment, and it was a very proud moment for her that the Indian flag was flying on top of the world, and it was an spiritual movement for her. And at last also, she did not only climb the Everest, but she was also a fervent environmentalist. She gathered and collected approximately 500 kgs of garbage from the Himalayas.